The iPhone 6 Plus battery replacement directions. Fix your broken iPhone 5 with parts and service from directfix.com. Use coupon code YT7 and save 7% off your next order at directfix.com. Please read this warning thoroughly before attempting to repair your device. First, completely power off your device. Remove your SIM card and SIM card tray. Remove the two pentalobe screws at the bottom of your phone. Attach a suction cup to the bottom portion of your screen and carefully lift up in order to remove the screen. Once your screen is begin to loosen, use a case opener tool in order to completely remove it. Remove the 5 screws shown in the red circles. You can now disconnect the ribbon cables of the screen assembly from the motherboard. Remove 2 screws and a shield covering the battery and charge port connectors. Using a case opener tool or similar tool, carefully remove the battery connector from the motherboard. Using a heat gun, heat up the back case where the battery would be in order to loosen the adhesive holding the battery in place. It should now be easier to remove the large battery from the iPhone 6 Plus using a large case opener tool. You can now place your replacement battery into the phone and connect to the motherboard. Place the small shield over the connectors and secure with 2 screws. You can now reconnect the screen assembly. Secure the screen assembly by placing the shield over the connectors and secure with the 5 screws shown in the red circles. Now place the screen into the frame. Install your SIM card tray and secure the screen with 2 pentalobe screws at the bottom. Like, comment, and subscribe for more repair videos from Direct Fix. For all your cell phone parts, accessories, and service needs, go to directfix.com now.